Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting at the device with buttons visible. Press the mode or menu button to enter the clock settings. Once the settings screen appears, use long press or two-button combos if the first press doesn't respond. You need the current date and your time zone ready so you don't repeatedly toggle incorrect values. Make sure to note whether the clock uses 24-hour or AM/PM format. This determines how hours display. Now select the date field to begin editing day, month, and year. With the date field selected, change values one at a time, first day, then month, then year. Use the +/- up/down, or dial to increment values. When you reach the end of a month, the display may roll over, so pause and verify. Press Set or OK after each field so the clock saves that segment before you move on. Once the year is correct, review month length and leap year behavior. This prevents invalid dates that some clocks reject silently. Proceed to save the full date entry. After entering all fields, save changes with the Save, Exit, or OK button and wait for confirmation tone or a stable display. Do not power off mid-save. Once saved, verify the date in all watch modes and after a quick power cycle to ensure non-volatile memory wrote properly. If the date resets or shows incorrect behavior, check the backup battery or coin cell, consult the manual for model-specific quirks, and consider a firmware update as a last step to resolve persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.